Good morning, good night, sir and assistant practicum. My name is Yusuf Fernandez Temeang. My name is 123460040 in the class Practicum Pneumatic and Hydraulic RA. I video about the pneumatic hydraulic practicum unit 6. Next, music community sensor in pneumatic system. Purpose of the practicum and the one working principles of inductive proximity sensor in pneumatic system. The next, apply proximity sensor the control of motor, valves, or piston via PLC. In the 3D, train practical student to read analysis and design leader diagram according to system requirements. Next, one sensor proximity. Now, proximity sensor is a sensor that can detect the range of an object without physical contact. This sensor are widely as in industrial automation for position detection, product punching, or non-contact limit switches. In the feature inductive sensor, capacitive sensor. Commonly as type of proximity, inductive proximity as to detect metal object. Example as detecting the position of a metal position on pneumatic cylinder. 2. Capacitive proximity as to detect metal and non-metal object. Wood, plastic, liquids. The working principle, the sensor forms a capacitive field. If an object with a different electric constant enters, the capacitance change and the sensor output a signal. Example as detecting material levels, egg, powder, or liquid in container. In next, leader PLC. The PLC leader diagram show an automation system as a proximity sensor in a pneumatic system. The proximity sensor detect the range of metal object with of direct contact, and the signal from the sensor is as to active or detective pneumatic actuator such as cylinder. In the first and second runs, input from the push button and proximity sensor is processed to activate memory bit 8 W0.00 and W0.01, which become system control signal. Main wheel, a timer T100 is asked to provide and a certain time delay before the signal is forwarded, so that system does not work too quickly due to rapid sensor readings. Number 2. On the right side of the diagram, a counter or CNT and timer TIM are the asked to count the number of sensor detection and regulate the pneumatic cylinder opening time. Each time the proximity sensor is activated, the counter increments the count and the timer ensures the operation sequence follow the specific duration once the detection count reach the set value, and output sits as valve or solenoid or valve is active as the circuit creates a press automated system that detect object and control the pneumatic actuator movement and and sprinkling. In the panduan schematic versi. Okay, next to simulation in CX programmer. The PLC leader, the one step, click new contact, my address 0.01 in the next, click in deposit contact, add the output system, the address 0.00, the next system automatis the address 0.00 in address system. Okay, in the two sensor proximity, system 0.00 in the next step, 0.02 the output proximity address 0.01. Next sensor in the timer CNT 0.03 in the system 0.00 the output proximity 0.01 in the next in the step. Timer 0.02 in timer the next 3.0.0.0 the 0.4 on address timer 0.002 in the timer time 100 millisecond timer stack 50 set value, switch CNT the address 0.04 system 0.00 output proximity 0.1 CNT 000 the timer 0.01 CNT 0.00 the timer 2 and system 0.00 0.02 CNT 0.03 CNT 0.03 timer 0.02. The simulation system, click control shift way in the running leader PLC application programming, check programming. Okay, in viewer schematic proximity one timer on in the system. system of one click one system. Information output copy detection proximity sensor timer CNT no zero untuk close system control shift W. Okay, in conclusion, the use of proximity sensor in PLC controlled kinematic system allow for more automated, accurate, and efficient for process. Proximity sensor detect the presence of object without physical contact, while timers and counters enhance the speed and duration of actuator operation. As required, the combination reduce human error, increase production speed, and maintains operational consistency in industrial systems using kinematic actuator. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you, sir, and